Welcome to Kitchenesia, your cozy corner for delicious recipes and smart kitchen tips. Here you'll discover simple ideas to make cooking joyful and stress-free. Whether you're whipping up a quick meal or trying something new, join us and let's turn every cooking moment into a warm, happy experience together. A warm kitchen with muted ochre walls feels like a gentle hug, the olive cabinets adding a touch of earthiness. The cozy space invites calm mornings with natural light that dances on soft wood floors. It's a perfect blend of comfort and understated elegance for a quiet, soothing day in the heart of the home. This small kitchen's ochre walls glow softly, paired with olive cabinets that add rich depth. The natural textures of wood and stone create a space that's both inviting and practical, where every detail feels carefully chosen. Warm light fills the room, making it a cozy retreat that's perfect for calm, easy cooking moments. Imagine a tiny kitchen where muted ochre walls wrap the room in warmth, and olive green cabinets bring a subtle pop of color. The natural wood accents and stone countertops add texture, creating an intimate space that's both functional and charming. A beautiful spot to unwind with a cup of coffee. This compact kitchen captures warmth with ochre walls and olive cabinetry, blending natural textures with polished surfaces. The quiet, cozy feel invites you to linger longer, savoring peaceful mornings or relaxed afternoons in a space that's both practical and soothing, where simplicity and elegance coexist effortlessly. Soft ochre walls create a calming backdrop for olive green cabinets in this tiny kitchen, making it feel cozy yet fresh. The natural light highlights the wood floors and stone countertops, crafting a welcoming vibe. It's a little sanctuary that feels like home, perfect for slow cooking and peaceful moments. In this small kitchen, muted ochre walls balance beautifully with olive accents, creating a sense of warmth and calm. Natural wood details and soft lighting enhance the atmosphere, offering a perfect retreat where everything feels thoughtfully arranged. It's an inviting space made for peaceful mornings and relaxed evenings. This tiny kitchen exudes warmth with ochre paint and olive cabinetry, blending classic tones in a fresh way. Textured wood and stone surfaces add character, while soft light brings everything to life. The space feels like a cozy nook where time slows down and every meal is a quiet celebration. Ochre walls set a warm, inviting tone, and olive green cabinets add a peaceful depth in this small kitchen. The natural textures and gentle lighting create a cozy retreat that's perfect for quiet mornings or slow evenings. It's a heartfelt space where simplicity and comfort come together beautifully. Here, muted ochre walls and olive cabinetry create a soothing contrast in a tiny kitchen. The natural textures of wood and stone bring warmth and depth, while soft lighting adds intimacy. It's a room designed for gentle moments, a place where everyday tasks feel special and calming. This compact kitchen feels like a warm embrace with ochre walls and olive accents. Natural wood and stone countertops add texture, while soft lighting enhances the cozy mood. It's a space that invites you to slow down, breathe, and enjoy the beauty of quiet moments spent at home. Muted ochre walls create a soft, welcoming glow, paired with olive cabinets in this cozy kitchen. The natural wood and stone surfaces add depth, and the soft lighting creates a calming atmosphere. It's a tiny retreat where you can enjoy peaceful mornings and crafted comfort. A warm-toned kitchen with ochre walls and olive cabinetry that makes the space feel intimate and calm. Natural wood accents and stone countertops add texture, balanced with soft lighting to create a cozy retreat. It's a quiet escape where simplicity and warmth blend perfectly for everyday moments. In this tiny kitchen, ochre walls and olive green cabinets create a calm, earthy feel. Natural wood and stone provide texture, while soft lighting adds warmth. The space feels like a gentle refuge, a cozy spot to enjoy morning coffee or evening meals in peace and comfort. This small kitchen's muted ochre walls provide a soothing base, while olive cabinets add a grounded richness. Natural wood textures and smooth stone counters blend with gentle lighting for a cozy, inviting atmosphere. It's a warm, peaceful space that feels both elegant and effortlessly lived in. Thanks for spending time with Kitchenesia today. We hope you enjoyed the warm kitchen ideas and feel inspired to create cozy spaces of your own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support keeps our kitchen community growing and thriving. See you in the next video.